Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This space is all about helping you become a consistent and disciplined trader while guiding you away from scams and onto the right path. Make sure to follow Enzo Guapo to support the channel. It really means a lot and helps me keep going. We'll definitely talk about common scams in future videos, but for now, let's focus on today's main topic. So I want to show you this strategy I've been working on. It's called buy or sell at the best possible price. The name pretty much says it all. The whole idea is to help you get into a trade at a good price before the trend keeps going, not after the move already happened. It works like this. Imagine the market is going up, like it's in a solid uptrend. A lot of people wait too long and end up buying when the price is already high. This strategy does the opposite. It waits for a quick dip during the uptrend, and that's when we look to buy. Same for downtrends. If price is falling overall, we wait for a little pop back up, then we look to sell. It's kind of like getting in at a discount during a sale. You don't want to pay full price if you don't have to, right? Now, to know if the trend is up or down, we use two EMAs. Those are moving averages. One's faster, one's slower. If the fast EMA is above the slow one, we say it's an uptrend. If it's below, that's a downtrend. Simple stuff. But here's the key. We only trade when those lines aren't crossing. If they're crossing, it means the trend might be changing, and we don't want to guess. So for a buy, we wait for price to drop below the slow EMA, like a fake out move. RSI to go below 25, that tells us the price is kind of too low, and the trend must still be up. That's our signal to jump in. The idea is, hey, this thing dipped in an uptrend, it's probably gonna bounce. Let's buy it before it takes off again. For a sell, it's just the opposite. Price spikes above the slow EMA, RSI goes above 75, meaning it's a bit too high, and the trend is still down. That's when we say, all right, this thing just popped too high in a downtrend. Let's sell before it crashes back down. Now let's talk risk, because this isn't about just guessing and hoping. We use the ATR, average true range, to figure out how much the price normally moves. That helps us set a smart stop loss. So if the trade goes against us, we're out, no big deal. You also choose how much you're willing to risk, like $20, 0 cents per trade. That way you always know the worst case scenario before you click anything. And of course we want profits too. So we set a take profit target based on a reward to risk ratio. You can tweak that depending on your style. Maybe you're happy with small, consistent wins, or maybe you want bigger rewards. On the chart, it'll show you everything visually. A gray line for your entry, a red shaded area for your stop loss, your risk, a green shaded area for your take profit. At a glance, you know exactly what's going on. No guessing, no surprises. To sum it up, this strategy waits for price to fake people out, like a quick dip in an uptrend or a pop in a downtrend, and then we enter at that sweet spot before the market keeps going. It's a smarter way to trade, especially if you're tired of entering too late or chasing moves. But hey, if you're just starting out or still figuring things out, don't stress. Trading can feel overwhelming at first. Charts, indicators, entries, exits, it's a lot. But trust me, everyone starts somewhere, and the key is to just keep learning, testing, and improving bit by bit. This strategy, buy or sell at the best possible price, is all about giving you a simple, smart way to enter trades without chasing the market or guessing. It's not about being perfect. It's about having a plan, sticking to it, and managing your risk. You don't need to catch every move or win every trade. What matters is consistency, patience, and building confidence over time. Every trade you take is a step toward getting better. Even the losses, they teach you something valuable if you're willing to learn. So keep going. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and don't let one bad trade shake you. You're learning a skill that can literally change your life if you stick with it, one trade at a time. You've got this. Hey, just a quick backstory. This strategy didn't happen overnight. It took a lot of trial and error, testing different setups, fixing bugs, and fine-tuning the code until everything finally clicked. I've put in the time to make this Pinescript solid, and I'm really proud of how it turned out. If this video gets 1,000 views and 10 likes, I'll release the full source code for free so you can try it out yourself or even improve it. Could this strategy also work on Forex, stocks, or CFDs? We'll find out soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Disclaimer, just a quick heads up. This strategy is something I personally use and believe in, but it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't a recommendation to buy or sell anything. Always do your own research, practice proper risk management, and if you're unsure, talk to a professional. Trading involves risk, and you should never risk more than you're willing to lose. This is all for educational purposes only.